Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on a Subaru Impreza between the years of 2011 to the present. The first thing we're going to do is lift the windshield wiper off the windscreen. Next we're going to remove the windshield wiper. Next, we're going to compare our old windshield wiper to our new one to make sure that they're identical. Next, replace your windshield wiper. And finally, place the windshield wiper blade back on the glass very gently. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please visit twocarpros.com.